Hi, if you have undergone a root canal therapy recently, proper post-operative care is very crucial. At Toothway Dental, we understand the importance and the significance of this, and we are here to guide you through this video. After a root canal treatment, maintaining excellent oral hygiene is of utmost importance. Use a soft bristle brush to properly clean the area where it has been treated so it is free of infection and debris. Incorporating warm water saline gargles will help you to maintain that area free of debris, thus avoiding infection. It's normal to have discomfort after the root canal therapy. Follow the proper medication and the medication doses which have been prescribed by your dentist after the treatment. Opt for a soft and easily chewable diet in the initial day. Avoid hard, hot, sticky, and spicy foods which might have its say by delaying the healing process after the root canal therapy. During the initial 2 or 3 days after the treatment, it is advised to chew from the opposite side so that there is a proper rest for the tooth which has been treated and it is not undergoing any occlusal stresses. Allow yourselves a proper rest, maybe a very good night's sleep after the therapy. This precaution helps a proper healing. Less the stress, more quick the healing. Refrain from smoking completely and limit your alcohol intake for the adults as this might impede your healing process. It is very important to get your caps or crowns for the root canal treated tooth. The root canal treated tooth, once the treatment is done, becomes more brittle because of dehydration, and this might cause the tooth to break when it is under stress while you eat hard food. It is always considered that the root canal treatment is incomplete without placing your crown. Most importantly, regular dental visits. This gives us a chance to see how your healing is and how you're maintaining the treated tooth so that we can increase the life of the tooth. Following these guidelines from Toothway Dental, you will be fostering and supporting a helpful environment for your treated tooth after the root canal to heal up properly. Thank you.